Welcome to episode 4 of the Traveling Van Chronicles on the Hogtide Rising channel. This week we're going to take a look at how to compartmentalize and maximize dry goods storage in a traveling minivan. So let's dive right in to Ration Station in a traveling van. Now here I am in Ucluelet, BC at the Lighthouse. I want to talk to you about food storage. In my last videos, I introduced you to my refrigeration system and I introduced you to my little camp kitchen. And when you can cook and when you can keep food cool, you still have a problem with what you're going to do with the rest of the stuff that you gotta eat. Because you just can't be caught short. You gotta have some food ready to cook up and ready to eat. I'm going to show you my system of storage boxes, and I'm going to show you how I have compartmentalized a couple of them to make storage just a little more efficient. My basic food storage system consists of a couple of totes, and here you can see 2 of the 3 that I use. I'm going to pull out my storage boxes within the storage boxes and show you what I mean by compartmentalization. Now in my bottom box, I store things that I don't need to get out on an everyday basis. This is more some of the long-term things. So I have some things like some ramen noodle packages that I can boil up when I need it. And I also have some freeze-dried backpacking dinners, which I cart around with me as an absolute emergency because they're quick and easy to make and easy to store. So I'm going to put those away in the box and show you what it looks like when it's all packed up. And there we go, all packed away and ready to put it in the bottom of my number 1 tote. Now here we have the things that I like to have immediate access to. In the back is a bag of cereal, muesli or granola. Then I have my box of green tea, and I use that to make my iced tea. Next to that is a 6-pack of nice multigrain bagels. In front of the bagels, we have some little soft pita bread. Next to that is my spaghettini pasta. So now I'll pack them away in the box and show you how that looks. There we go, all nicely packed away in the box, ready for me to put it into its position in my tote. Nicely compartmentalized and nicely packed away, and still room for me to put a couple of other things in. Next we're going to show you the bottom tote. But now I'm going to empty all this stuff out and show you what's in those little compartmentalized containers. First and foremost, we have the liquor cabinet. Now, when you got all this fine liquor, you gotta have something to use to drink it. And here is my assortment of beverage imbibing containers. And these items I just fit in the box in between the compartments, all nicely packed away, stored nice and tight. I like my system of compartmentalization. What do you think? Maybe you want to make a comment or two in the comment section below and tell me how you store your stuff when you're on the road. Next is my pantry. Another flip-top box. When I'm traveling, it fits nicely in just inside this side door. I don't leave it here when I'm in the van to sleep, but it's quick and easy for me to pick that up and put it in the driver's seat. Here's another example of my idea of compartmentalization. This is one of my spice boxes. I cart around 10 spices that I like to use. I'm going to take a walk down by the lighthouse and enjoy some of the beauty of the Ucluelet Lighthouse Loop. So here we are at the entrance to the Amphitrite Lighthouse on the Wild Pacific Trail. I think you're going to like what you see, so let's go for a walk down the trail. Thank you very much for watching the Hog Tide Rising channel. And by the way, if some of you are kind of curious why I call this the Hog Tide Rising channel, well, I put a link right up here to my introduction video, and it'll tell you a little bit about me. But check it out. And if you like what you see, how about giving me a thumbs up? And I wouldn't mind seeing you on my subscriber list. You can subscribe down below. Then you'll always know when there's a video for you to see. And how about leaving me a comment or two? Give me some ideas of the way that you handle storage, food storage. So.